How to tip your delivery person from order history in Uber Eats. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Uber Eats app. Here, click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Also, make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on Orders at the top. Click on Past Order at the top and select the completed order you want to tip. Then find the tip area next to the tip amount and then click on Add Tip. Choose a tip amount and submit tip. After you do that, you're good to go. Also, once added, it can't be changed. So this is how to tip your delivery person from order history in Uber Eats. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.